Hello, Weld County. What is the latest housing data for Weld? Yep, it's that time again. The market is heating up, and here are the latest stats for our area. Keep in mind, some of these are solds, things like that from April where we closed out the month. Some are new for May, like our current listings. Hi, I'm Sonja Belfiore with Sears Real Estate. Now let's take a look at what's happening in Greeley, Colorado, 80634. At the time of this recording in Greeley, there were 249 active listings, 154 pending homes, and 105 homes sold thus far. The percent to list price was 100%, and the average sold price was $485,136, and homes were on the market an average of 60 days. In Windsor, 80550, we have 267 active homes, 113 pending, and 88 homes sold so far this month, after spending an average day on market of 81 days, and homes in Windsor sold for an average of $704,485, which was 98.3% of the original list price there. Now let's take a look at Johnstown, Colorado, where we have 178 active homes, 73 pending, and 59 sold so far this month with an average day on market of 71 days. The percent of original list price there is 98.1%, and the average sold price was $511,852. With the constant shifts, you need an experienced agent to help guide you through your next moves in real estate. If you connect with me today, I can help get you more information, and we can strategize together on what to do with your home. And again, I'm Sonja Belfiore with Sears Real Estate, your NoCo Raised, NoCo Rooted, your NoCo Realtor.